Welcome back to Automobiles Car. Today, we're diving deep into the exterior of the 2025 Subaru Outback, a vehicle that perfectly blends rugged capability with refined aesthetics. Subaru has been a key player in the outdoor vehicle segment for decades, and the Outback continues to set the standard. At first glance, the 2025 Outback impresses with its bold and athletic stance. The front fascia features a distinctive grille that showcases the Subaru emblem prominently. Flanking the grille are sharp, angular LED headlights that not only enhance visibility but also contribute to its modern appeal. The muscular hood design adds to its commanding presence on the road. In terms of dimensions, the 2025 model maintains its generous length, providing ample space for both passengers and gear. The sleek roofline tapers gracefully towards the rear, which enhances aerodynamics and gives it a sporty silhouette, with a ground clearance of around 8.7 inches. The Outback is designed to tackle rough terrains with ease, ensuring you can confidently venture off the beaten path. Subaru offers a variety of striking color options, from classic hues like crystal white pearl to bold shades like autumn green. These colors not only look great but also highlight the vehicle's rugged design. The exterior materials are carefully selected for durability, featuring high-quality paint finishes and sturdy body panels that can withstand the elements. One of the standout features of the 2025 Outback is its advanced roof rails with integrated crossbars, perfect for securing outdoor gear. This practical addition emphasizes the vehicle's adventurous spirit. The symmetrical all-wheel drive system, a Subaru hallmark, enhances stability and traction on varying surfaces, making it a reliable companion for outdoor enthusiasts. Moving to the rear, the Outback showcases sleek LED taillights that mirror the design language found in the front. The liftgate is not only easy to operate but also provides ample access to the spacious cargo area. A rugged rear bumper and skid plates further underline its capability, giving it a rugged yet sophisticated look. In summary, the 2025 Subaru Outback combines style, functionality, and performance in a way that's hard to beat. Its exterior design reflects Subaru's commitment to adventure while maintaining a polished appearance. If you're considering a vehicle that can handle both daily driving and weekend excursions, the Outback is certainly worth a closer look. Thanks for joining us at Automobiles, and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews.